Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome to Bosco CBSE School of Atal Tinkering Lab. Today we are here to discuss an exciting topic of Lunar Rover. As you may already know, the Indian Space Organization ISRO have launched Pragyan Rover on 14th July 2023 as a part of Chandrayaan-3 mission. We took this as a challenge and we prepared our own 3D printed Pragyan Rover. The tech keyboard mentor, Ms. K. Vanuteja, who is an expert of 3D printing, teaches us about Autodesk 3D printing.
Now about the devices. Generally, ISRO uses high alloy steel and titanium alloy in making of satellites, rovers and rockets etc. But now we used polylactic acid, which is called filament, in our 3D printer. By using this, we made 6 wheels, right and left arms and chassis or body in lunar making. About the electronics, we used Arduino Nano microcontroller, Bluetooth modules, LED lights, relays, batteries, servo motors, BO motors, motor drivers etc.
We can now use our Android mobile to control our robot. Our robot can perform forward, backward, right and left functions, and this consists of night vision LED lights for panel movement. By these innovations giving a goosebumps to us. Thank you for the ideation support by the Don Bosco CBSE School Management. Kindly follow our channel for the more innovations.